This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them, and make them look and taste like their retail products, all whilst reducing the costs. Imagine thin and crispy tomato base with mozzarella cheese and Hungarian hot salami. Bit mush, but what do you expect for $5? So I'm probably getting that bit in the cardboard. After you're done smashing me button, if you could reach around and fondle the bell end, it'd be greatly appreciative. It's on a crispy base with some battered pig bits. Speaking of battered pig bits, Detective Constable attire for naked bobbies. Merch is in the link description below. Chuck some butter in a pan. Basesesses. Sauceseses. Rub around the Chesseseses. Pepperonies. Chhese. Spread it around in Chesseseses, and once it's bubbling on the bottom like a week old scabb, chuck it under the grill. Alright, switch around the pepperoni and cheese, and it should look like this. Came in at $1.25. Now slice it up and bite on that pepper pig. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I will see you next Tuesday. And all that grub, dude.